Afternoon WRCC fans, and it's the 2nd October arrival. We've got loads more. We've got 3 travellers, we've got this convertible, and we've got another convertible as well, and they've got loads of saloons coming in as well. So if you're looking for a car, give us a call and see what we've got in, and we'll no doubt find you the perfect Minor for you. But anyway, back to this one. 4 previous keepers on the logbook. 1966 original convertible. So that's an MAT VIN. Beautiful paintwork on her. It's the 2nd time we've had her in. We bought her back off a client over in Hull who's had her for a couple of years. Really nice smoke grey paintwork. 4 previous keepers, as I've said. Cream of a flex hood. Good on all the bottoms of the wings. The underside's good. No bubbling at the bottom of the doors. New backlights fitted, new chrome, so all that's been taken care of and looks really well. No bubbling on the tailgate, no water ingress through the aperture of the boot, as we'll have a look in a minute. Nice and clean all round, got a portrait. So as you can see, wings and that are all really nice and clean. The section between the B-post and the rear arch, all clean. The aperture, the door aperture is all nice and clean. It's a really nice clean example of a car, and I keep saying clean, which is probably quite annoying for you, so I'll try not to say it again. So good quality interior, no rips or tears in the door cards, in the on the seat covers, on the back seat cover. Underside of the hood's nice and clean. Dare I say it again. Glove box line is good, showing 77,292 miles on the clock. Runs really well, drives well. Passed the old bumpy road test coming up the hill there, so we're all good on that score. Get started. So, runs really well. Starts really well. Have a look under the bonnet. It's had a few upgrades when we sold it last time. Dark blue carpet for longevity, we fitted that before she went out a couple of years ago. It's got the handy locking bonnet catch there, which has been fitted. So we've got the alternator fitted, got brake servo fitted and electronic ignition fitted, which are our list of upgrades that we'd suggest to have done. It's nice and clean under the bonnet, good in the tie plates. Just wait for the train to go past. Really good in the tie plates, inner wings, and all the boot compartments on. Oh, the bonnet, under the bonnet compartments are nearly nice and clean. Electric washer pump, which is handy. So go back round again. Then we'll have to go back to portrait again. Just go in the boot. Comes with the boot bag. Hood bag. Really nice and tidy on the section between the tank and the back of the boot aperture. Inner wings are all good. The boot is all good. It's just a really nice clean car. Good quality Minor. So if you're looking for a nice convertible, maybe treat yourself for an early Christmas present, then this is the one. It drives lovely, runs really well. It's got probably about, I don't know, 1,500 quid for upgrades on it anyway already. So it'll obviously be fully serviced up and wax oiled for you before it goes. 6-month warranty, 6-month breakdown, covering 12 months MOT as all our cars. But give us a bell and I'll be more than happy to discuss it with you. It's Dan, so give us a call on 01422881221 or visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk. Wait for the train to go past, and this one's on at 15,500. Thanks guys.